Man, I had to bring you guys in and show you this. Look at that stuff just pouring out of there. This is going to be a beautiful, messy, delicious grilled cheese. Alright guys, welcome back to episode 4 of Grilled Cheese Wednesday. Now today we're going to be doing a copycat type deal. Disney released their recipe for their grilled cheese they make, I think at the Toy Story amusement park or something like that. I'm not even sure. But yeah, we're gonna get this stuff thrown together. I'm gonna bring you in, show the ingredients, and yeah, let's get this thing making. All right, so here's the ingredients. We got 2 pieces of white bread. That's the country white bread. And we got 2 slices of provolone cheese, 2 slices of cheddar cheese. And then for the cream cheese spread, we have 2 ounces or half a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of shredded cheese, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, yes. And then for the garlic spread that we're gonna put on the outside to fry up the bread, we have a cup of mayonnaise. We have in here another, I'd say that's more of a half of a teaspoon of salt, and then we have 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now this isn't in their recipe, but I'm gonna put a little black pepper just because I love me some black pepper. All right, so yeah, let's just get this stuff mixing up. Let's just do it right here. All right, just drop that mayonnaise in here. Man, that garlic smells amazing, guys.
Alright, that's good enough. Alright, let's mix that together real good. Now just keep mixing that up. Get it nice and good. Alright, so I think we're good on that.
Now this one I brought the big bowl out. Actually, I forgot one ingredient. Let me go grab that. All right, guys, one ingredient I forgot. Heavy whipping cream. That is going in the cream cheese spread. So we're gonna need, actually let's go ahead and get this in. I need 2 tablespoons, and I can't find my my full tablespoon, so I got a half here. So I'm gonna have to do 4 of these real quick. All right, so that's it. That's all we need for that. Get that out of here. All right, get this out of here. Now let's dump in the other stuff. We have the 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, and shredded cheese and cream cheese. Bam, just dump it all in there. This is gonna have to get mixed up really good. Probably should have let this cream cheese sit out a little bit longer, but we're good. We're good, guys. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this together, and then I'll bring you guys back, and we're gonna build this thing. All right, now let's get this thing put together. We just need 2 slices of the cheddar. Put that on right like so. Now this recipe will make about, I believe it's 4 sandwiches. I'm just making the one right now because I need a quick lunch. All right. Just spread that, try and get it nice and evenly. It's kind of hard, I probably should have grabbed a knife. All right. Good enough. All right, there we go. That tastes good. 2 slices provolone. All right, just like that. Then we got some bread, and boom, we got a sandwich. All right, let's. I did put a little bit of the black pepper in the cream cheese spread. All right, let's mix a little bit of this. For the cooking This is how we're gonna cook the bread. Is garlic, mayonnaise, and salt. Definitely harder than I thought it'd be with a fork. All right. Good enough. All right. Cool. I'm gonna get this Blackstone warmed up. It's not gonna take much heat. So yeah, let's get this thing running. All right, we got the Blackstone heated up about 250. So I'm just gonna throw this on. Boom. Fix it up. There we go. All right, I'm just gonna let that sit. And then I'm gonna, actually, let's do this. Went and got a knife like a smart person, huh? Oh yeah, look at that thing slide around. Tell you what, this garlic smells great. All right, so we're good on that. Now, let's just let it cook. I'll give it a few minutes. And then I'll bring you guys back, we'll flip it, and see what we got. This is not gonna take long. All right, guys, let's give this thing its first flip. Ooh, this smells delicious. Could have gone a little bit longer on that side, but provolone cheese. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this go. I did throw a serrano pepper on here because I love me some spice, so get that going too. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys back when I get this off and cut it and show you what we got. All right, y'all, let's get this thing off here. Ooh, man. Oh, don't slide off, baby. Ooh, this looks delicious. Lost a little bit. No big deal. We're good. All right, let me get the serrano off. Boom. So there you have it. Perfect. Now I got everything turned off right now. You know, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Ooh, it's nice and crusty. That's perfect. All right, yeah, I'm gonna let this sit so the cheese can kind of harden up a little bit. And I can cut this thing and eat it without burning my mouth off. All right. All right, let's give this thing a cut. And like I always say, diagonal. You always cut diagonal. Ooh, this is gonna be messy. Give a little try of that. Ooh, doggy. All right. Man, how am I gonna pick you up? You know I'm gonna bring you guys in and check this out. So there you have it, folks. Look at that creaminess. That serrano's looking good. Look at that. That just looks amazing. All right, let's try this thing. All right, let's get a bite of this bad boy. Ooh, man, that cheese. Come on, baby. Now, the first thing I got was some garlic. We got it's toasted on the outside of that bread. That was great. Got the cream cheese, the cheddar cheese. Real strong cheddar taste. Probably because of the two slices and then the cream cheese spread. Man, that is good. That is good. Let me do one more bite. Come on, baby. A little messy. Definitely a messy sandwich. That is good. Let's try the serrano. Delicious as always. All right. Well, there you have it, guys. I mean, this is an easy sandwich to make. It's really messy, as you can tell. I mean, the cheese is just oozing out of everything, but it's really good. That garlic on that bread, I'm a big fan of that. I'm gonna have to do another grilled cheese with that kind of mixture on there because that was really good. So yeah, that's there you have it, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.